Hey, it's Nisi, and this is our day 3. We are just ending day 3 of our 5-day challenge, so we only have 2 days left. And I hope that you're enjoying yourself, and I hope that you are really pushing yourself. Remember, this is your journey. So if you're taking the easy road, or if you're taking the really tough, pushing yourself, challenging yourself road, either way, it's your journey, and I want you to feel good about it. So we have 2 days left. So make those little tweaks. If you're not posting every day, at least 2 times a day, you should be. You really should be. This is an area where I'm going to ask you to do something different to stretch yourself. Because the more you're engaged and you're involved with this group, the more you are going to do more for yourself as far as your fitness journey is concerned. Really, that's what it's all about. Engaging. Okay, so I need to hear from you. I want to hear how many push-ups you did yesterday based on the video. Watch me in the video. Watch my form. Watch how my body is completely parallel to the floor. Keeping my hips tucked, my arms straight, hands under my shoulders, and my arms are straight. I want you to watch all of those things, and I want to see numbers. I have nothing in my inbox. Nothing. Okay, so let's go. Let's do it. Tomorrow is Saturday, day 4. And here is your challenge. Number 1, no one in this group is going to eat bread of any kind. No waffles, no sandwiches, no muffins, no bread at all. 0. This is going to be our challenge. This is a big one for me, and I'm sure it is for a couple of you. So that's our nutritional challenge. And I have something special tomorrow, so make sure that you stay tuned to the video tomorrow. The next thing from a fitness perspective, what I want you to do is, Pia and Josie, I want the 2 of you to focus on, focus, T25. I want you to do speed 2.0. That is your challenge for tomorrow. And Marie, I want you to do, let's see, stretch 30. I believe it's stretch 30. So, strength 30. That's what it is, strength 30. So I want you to do strength 30. Pia and Josie, focus T25, speed 2.0. And I'm actually going to do both. And we're all going to post. Now, if you want to do both, go ahead. If you've got Turbo Fire, because that's what Strength 30 is. It's from Turbo Fire. It's a great workout. Ask Marie. She'll tell you all about it. But if you want to do both, great. But if you want to do just the one that you're assigned, either Speed 2.0 or Strength 30, then go for it. I'm going to do both. And we're going to post what we have to say about it. Now, I know all of you are really into posting about your meals, and that's great. I want you to do that. But tomorrow, I want to hear about your workout, and I'm hoping to hear tonight or early tomorrow. Don't let the day go by tomorrow without posting your push-up count. Okay, that's it. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.